Welcome to Houselux Estate, where today we dive into the thrilling world of esports and uncover how gamers are transforming their passion into profit. Esports, essentially competitive video gaming at a professional level, has burgeoned into a global phenomenon. This arena has seen an explosive rise in both viewership and financial investment over the last decade. As stakes get higher and the audience grows, the opportunities to make significant earnings have never been more accessible. So if you've ever wondered how gaming could turn into a lucrative career, keep watching. First, let's explore the different career paths available in the esports industry. Diving into the adrenaline-fueled universe of esports, one of the most coveted roles is that of the professional gamer. These are the gladiators of the digital arena, competing in global tournaments for titles like League of Legends, Fortnite, and Dota 2. The path to becoming a professional gamer is paved with intense practice, strategic thinking, and the ability to perform under pressure. For those who ascend to the top, the rewards can be substantial, including hefty prize money, sponsorships, and a fan base that spans continents. But behind every successful player, there's often a coach or analyst, meticulously dissecting gameplay footage and devising strategies that can turn the tide of competition. These individuals are the unsung heroes of esports, providing the tactical insights that can elevate a team's performance. Their expertise isn't just about understanding the game, but also about psychological readiness, making them pivotal in preparing players for the high stakes of tournament play. Then, there are the content creators and streamers, who turn their charisma and gaming prowess into engaging content for platforms like Twitch and YouTube. This career path offers a more personal connection with the gaming community, where authenticity and entertainment value can translate into a lucrative income through ads, subscriptions, and sponsorships. These stars of the screen help shape the culture of gaming one stream at a time. Let's not forget the esports journalists and event organizers. These professionals tell the stories of the games and their players, bringing the excitement of esports to a broader audience. Whether it's through writing compelling articles, producing documentaries, or organizing events that capture the spectacle of esports, these roles are crucial in promoting the industry and making it accessible to fans around the world. With the right skill set, each of these roles can be a gateway to a profitable esports career. Now that you know the roles, how exactly do you turn these opportunities into earnings? Let's dive into the dynamic world of esports monetization, where the game transcends beyond just play, becoming a lucrative business arena. First up, prize money from tournaments. It's the most direct way players can earn. Picture this: tournaments ranging from local levels to international championships, each with their prize pools. Winning big here isn't just about prestige, it's about hefty paychecks. The stakes are high and so are the rewards. Moving on, let's talk sponsorships and endorsements. As esports athletes gain popularity, brands are eager to align themselves with these digital champions. Whether it's gaming equipment, lifestyle products, or even beverages, getting sponsored can mean a stable influx of income. And it's not just the players. Teams, events, and even game developers find substantial support through corporate endorsements. This symbiosis between players and brands not only pads the wallet, but also enhances the player's visibility in the market. Next, we can't overlook the goldmine that is streaming and content creation. Platforms like Twitch and YouTube are stages where gamers become stars. Through live streaming gameplay, offering tips, or engaging with fans, players can generate revenue from advertisements and subscriptions. The magic formula here? Consistency and personality. Engage your audience and they'll return the favor, with some creators even achieving incomes that rival traditional sports stars. Then there's merchandising and branding. Players and teams are not just competitors, they're brands. From apparel and accessories to digital goods like in-game skins, effective merchandising strategies can create additional revenue streams. Imagine wearing a jersey or using a mouse pad that supports your favorite gamer. Fans love to show their allegiance, and each purchase adds up. Mastering these monetization strategies can significantly boost your earnings in the esports realm. Need some inspiration? Let's look at some success stories from the esports world. In the competitive sphere of esports, tales of triumph and transformation are not just common, they're the pillars that inspire thousands. Consider the journey of Alex, once a casual player in the world of amateur tournaments. His days were spent juggling a part-time job while honing his skills in the virtual arenas late into the night. His game of choice? a popular online battle arena game that pits teams against each other in strategic combat. Alex's dedication was relentless. Over the years, he climbed the ranks, his talent shining through each match. Today, he stands as a celebrated figure on a globally recognized team, having won multiple international tournaments. His story is a testament to where passion and perseverance can lead. Switching gears, let's delve into the world of streaming, where charisma meets gameplay. Meet Jenna, a charismatic gamer who turned her love for video games into a full-time career by broadcasting her gameplay online. Jenna started with nothing but a basic streaming setup and a handful of viewers. However, her engaging personality and consistent streaming schedule quickly won the hearts of viewers. As her follower count skyrocketed, so did opportunities for sponsorships. Major gaming brands seeking to tap into her growing audience began to partner with her, offering lucrative deals. Jenna's story isn't just about playing games, it's about building a brand and connecting with fans on a personal level. Then there's Coach Liam, a name synonymous with success in the esports coaching realm. Liam, a former professional player, transitioned into coaching with a vision to cultivate winning teams. His profound understanding of game mechanics and player psychology has led multiple teams to victory in prestigious esports championships. Under his guidance, players refine their strategies, perfect their skills, and most importantly, learn the value of teamwork and discipline. Coach Liam's career highlights the significant impact a dedicated coach can have on a team's success and the broader competitive landscape. Each of these stories, from Alex's ascent in competitive gaming, Jenna's transformation into a streaming sensation, and Liam's strategic mastery as a coach, underscores the diverse avenues available in the esports industry. They remind us that success in esports can come in many forms, whether you're directly in the game, sharing your experience with the world, or guiding others to their peak. These success stories highlight the potential rewards of dedication and strategic planning in esports. From playing at the grassroots level to commanding the digital stages of the world, from entertaining audiences in one's own unique style to mentoring the next champions, esports opens up a world of opportunities for those ready to take the challenge. And who knows, the next big esports story could very well be yours. Ready to start your journey in the esports industry? Fantastic! The path ahead is filled with opportunities, but knowing where to begin can be the biggest hurdle. Let's break down some essential steps to build and sustain a successful esports career. First up, education is key. Dive deep into the mechanics of the industry. This isn't just about playing games, it's about understanding the ecosystem, including game development, event management, and the role of sponsors and advertisers. There are numerous online resources, courses, and webinars that can provide you with the insight needed to navigate this landscape. Next, networking is your golden ticket. In the world of esports, who you know can be just as important as what you know. Attend gaming conventions, join online forums, and connect with established gamers and industry professionals on social media platforms. These connections can lead to mentorships, partnerships, and opportunities that are not advertised publicly. Lastly, never stop polishing your skills and stay abreast of the latest trends. The gaming world evolves at lightning speed, and maintaining your edge means continuously practicing and adapting. Whether it's mastering new gaming strategies or familiarizing yourself with upcoming technologies, staying relevant is crucial. Remember, building a career in esports isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires dedication, adaptability, and a relentless pursuit of growth. With persistence and passion, your esports career can flourish. Keep pushing forward, keep leveling up, and let the games begin. We've explored the exciting opportunities that esports offers for making money and building a career. From behind the scenes as team managers and coaches to the spotlight of professional players and streamers, the esports industry is teeming with viable career paths. We delved into effective monetization strategies where branding, sponsorships, and content creation can turn your gaming skills into a lucrative business. Remember, understanding the market and engaging with your audience are keys to unlocking these revenue streams. We also shared some truly inspirational success stories. These narratives not only highlight the potential financial rewards, but also emphasize the dedication and innovation required to thrive in this competitive arena. Whether you're just starting out or looking to elevate your presence in the world of esports, the journey is as challenging as it is rewarding. Thank you for tuning into House Lux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on turning your passions into profits. See you in the next video.